In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CyberGhost VPN 2025, giving you a complete setup tutorial guide and installation demo. If you're new to VPNs or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. With internet privacy and security becoming increasingly crucial, CyberGhost VPN offers a fast, secure, and private solution. Let's dive into how you can set up and start using it today. First, you'll want to head over to the CyberGhost VPN website. It's as simple as typing CyberGhost VPN into your browser and hitting search. Once you reach the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is your first step towards enhanced online privacy. Next, locate the My Account section. Typically, you can find this on the top right corner of the website. Click on My Account, and that will lead you to a page where you can manage your account information and subscription. Having easy access to your account settings makes managing your VPN straightforward and hassle-free. After that, proceed to click on Login. If you already have an account, you'll need to enter your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account by following the easy sign-up process that CyberGhost provides. Creating an account allows you to access the full suite of CyberGhost's features and protections. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the CyberGhost homepage. You'll find this link available in conjunction with your account area. The homepage is where CyberGhost provides you with an overview of your account status, any notifications, and further navigation options. From there, navigate to the Download Hub. This hub is effectively the storehouse for downloading the CyberGhost VPN app. Make sure to download the app for the correct operating system you are using, be it Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. The Download Hub provides an easily navigable interface to ensure you're installing the correct version. With the app downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts provided by their wizard, which guides you through the installation. Once the installation is complete, your CyberGhost VPN app is ready for use. This provides you with immediate access to CyberGhost's protective services. Finally, it's time to connect to a VPN server. Open the app and you'll notice a Connect button, or similar feature prominently displayed. Clicking this will automatically connect you to the best available server, optimizing your connection for speed and security. You can also choose a specific server by exploring options within the app if you need a server based in a particular location. And there you have it, a fully set up CyberGhost VPN 2025, ready to safeguard your online activities. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the enhanced security and freedom that comes with using a VPN. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.